It's common to express that something is important in your IELTS speaking test. Today, I'll share 8 different ways to say it without repeating important. If you want to get better at IELTS writing and check out some 8.5 band sample essays, don't miss our new IELTS writing channel. Let's get started. 1. Essential.
Example 1. Drinking enough water is essential for staying healthy. Example 2. Regular exercise is essential for maintaining physical and mental health.
2. Crucial.
Example 1. Good communication is crucial for building strong relationships. Example 2. Teamwork is crucial when working on large projects.
3. Significant.
Example 1. The discovery of antibiotics was a significant milestone in medicine. Example 2. Family support can have a significant influence on a child's success.
4. Major.
Example 1. A major benefit of online learning is its flexibility. Example 2. Pollution is a major concern in many urban areas.
5. Fundamental.
Example 1. Understanding basic math is fundamental to solving more complex problems. Example 2. Learning grammar is fundamental to mastering a new language.
6. Play a huge role.
Example 1. Technology plays a huge role in modern education. Example 2. Parental guidance plays a huge role in a child's development.
7. Matter of life and death.
Example 1. In some countries, finding adequate medical care is a matter of life and death. Example 2. During a natural disaster, quick action can be a matter of life and death.
8. Top priority.
Example 1. Reducing poverty should be a top priority for governments. Example 2. Safety should always be the top priority in any workplace.
That's the end of today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future videos.